Good morning, everyone. So today I'm going to teach you that how you can create the AI animations, right? Now you're thinking that what is mean by AI animations. So using AI, you can create animations, right? So the purpose of this tutorial is most of the people give up on AI animations because their character end up looking different in every scene, right? If you have ever faced that problem, now you don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the exact method I use to keep the character consistent, generate the realistic voiceovers, and turn a simple idea into a complete animated story from start to finish. Please make sure you watch until the end because I will walk you through every step of the process from creating a story and generating images to animating the scene and exporting the final video, right? So let's start the first and the most important step, creating a strong story, right? Story should be strong, right? So first step is you need to create a story. To make things easier, I have a created template with the customizable parameters that includes everything you need to generate a complete story just for your ease. You can find this template in my WhatsApp channel as well as my Telegram channel, right? The link are available in the video description. Please see the description below the video. Now, if you do like to modify the prompt, simply you need to copy it and customize it according to your own idea. The template is divided into two sections, right? You can see it, right? The first section is fully editable. This is where you will define the story, theme, and describe the appearance of your main character. For example, let's take an example. I give you the example over here. If your story is all around a playful and mischievous girl, you should include details such as like her age, hairstyle, clothing, shoes, and any other important features, right? So this step is very important because image generation is the most important, or you can call it the backbone of the story, or your animation video, right? So if the character description isn't repeated consistently, the character may look different in every generated scene. By keeping the character details organized and consistent throughout the prompt, you will get much more reliable results and maintain the same character across all the scenes that we have. For this tutorial, I'm setting the episode duration to 3 minutes just to demonstrate the process. Of course, you can increase it to 10 to 15 minutes or adjust the duration and number of the scenes according to your requirements. So this is a tutorial, so I can just create a 1 to 2 3 minutes video. So it's up to you. You can add more scenes. You can add more number of the images, and you can just make it long video, right? So in the second section, I have taught you the first step, that how you can generate the story and the images, right? So this is the second section of the AI animation. So in the second section of the template, we asked ChatGPT to generate the complete story based upon our input, including the images generation prompts and narrations text, right? I have already defined the character appearance in the prompt, so all I need to do is copy it and paste it into the ChatGPT. So this is the second step. First step is you create the video, you generate the storyline from the ChatGPT. Okay, within the few moments, ChatGPT generate the entire story according to the requirements, along with the details, images, prompt, and narrations text for each scene. In this example, we have 5 scenes, right? There are 5 scenes. As I told you, I'm gonna create the video for maximum 2 to 3 minutes, right? Each scene comes with the own image generation prompt exactly as we requested. With the story ready, it's time to create the images. Open a new tab in the search for Google Flow, right? I personally use Google Flow for the image generation because it's free. So I'm just teaching you that how you can create the AI animation without paying a single penny, right? So it's completely free, easy to use, and beginner friendly. Another advantage is that you can generate plenty of the images without worrying about the credit. So there is no credit limit. You can just generate the images as many as you want, right? So after creating the new project, go back to the ChatGPT and copy the images prompt from the first scene and paste into the Google Flow prompt box, right? If you open the setting panels, you will see all the image generation options. Since we are creating images like the images made, and then for the image dimensions, I'm choosing 9:16 aspect ratios because I want the final video to be in the vertical format suitable for the YouTube shorts, right? So therefore I'm just setting up the the video vertically because it's going to be a short video. I usually set up number of the generated images to 2, right? Which means each prompt will generate 2 variations. If you do like more options, you can increase it. One of the best parts is that the generation costs 0 credit for the model. I'm like Nano Banana 2, right? One, everything is configured, click generate. After the short wait, the images will be ready. Review the results and download the one, yeah, like you like the most. If you are not satisfied, simply generate another set. So as I told you that, it's a free of cost, so you can do it. I like the image, so I will click the three dots and download it in 2K resolution. So I think the 2K would be enough for the tutorial. This becomes the first scene of our animated story. Now repeat the same process. Go back to the chat GPT, copy the prompt from the second scene, paste it into the Google Flow and generate another image using the same settings and everything. Just repeat the step that I did before. So I continue doing this for every scene in your story. As you review the images, you will notice something interesting. Even though the backgrounds or situation change, the character remains almost identical throughout the story. That's exactly what we are aiming for. So now everybody fails because they cannot keep the character consistent. So in this way, you can keep the character consistent. Now moving forward, with the images ready, it's time to move for the on the innovation section, right? Search for a Minimax AI website on Google. This tool includes text-to-speech features that can convert your narration into the realistic voiceover using the variety of the different narrators. Open the text-to-speech section. Creating an account is completely free. You can sign up using your email address and simply log in with your Google account. I will click sign in, then choose the continue with the Google, selecting your Google account and complete the login process. After signing in, you will see the few onboarding questions. I will skip those and continue. I don't need it. I don't need to answer them at the moment. The platform is quite similar to the 11 Lab. I think you know about it. It's the same thing, like text to speech features, and so it provides 10,000 free credits every month, which is more than enough for many projects. So next, go back to the chat GPT, copy all the innovation text and paste into the text to speech sections. On the right side, you will find the voice library where you can browse through a wide range of the narration voices. Take some time, listen to different options, and choose the one that fits your story best. You can also use the filter options in the top right corner. From there, you can filter voices by age group, gender, and other categories such as child, young, middle-aged, aged, and male or female. Right. For example, for this example, I'm selecting the animation category and applying the filter. Now I can see the voices that better match the animated content. Right. Listen a few simple, you need to listen. A few samples. Choose your favorite voice and click use. It's completely on you. Pick up the voice that you like. You can adjust the speed and other voice setting if needed, but I'm leaving everything at the default settings. Once you are ready, click generate speech. Right now, after short processing time, your voiceover will be ready. You can then download the audio file using the download button that you can see easily. As you see, we still have the plenty of the credits remaining for the future project, which make this tool very helpful and useful too. At this point, both our images and voiceovers are ready. The next step is turning those images into animated video. Right. For this one, we will use an AI tool. Open in a new tab and search for the Quinn. Visit the official website and click try now. For this, sign up and log in. From there, sign up and log in using your Gmail account. After login, click the plus icon and select the create a video. Since I am creating a vertical video, I will change the aspect ratio to 9:16. If you are creating the content in a different format, feel free to choose the aspect ratio that suits your project. Now, click the plus icon again. Select the upload attachment. Upload the images from your first scene. Once the image is uploaded, describe what you want the character to do. Right. For example, I might type the girl is in yellow hoodie walking confidently through the hall. Press enter and wait for the generation process to finish. After some time, your animated video will be ready. Right. Let's preview the results. If you are satisfied with it, download the video using the download option. You can also use the download icon located beneath the generated clip. Right. Repeat the same process for every scene. upload the image, describe the desired animation, and generate the video. That's all there is to it. Using this method, you can quickly transform a static images into an animated scene clip for your story, right? Once all the scenes and clips are ready, it's time for the final step, editing everything together into a complete video, right? So now this is the last step where you have to combine all these steps that you performed earlier. All right. So for combining all the chunks of the video, you can use any editing software you prefer, such as CapCut, Premiere Pro, and even free mobile editing applications. Start by importing all the generated scene clips along with your voiceovers, placing the clips on the timeline in the correct storyline sequence so everything flows naturally from the beginning to end. Next, adjust the timing of each clip to match the narration. Some scenes may you need to be shortened, while others may you need to be little extra time depending on the pace of the voiceover. Your main goal during editing is to keep the story flowing smoothly and make the transitions feel natural. Or you can also add a simple transitions between scenes to make the video feel more polished and cinematic. Once everything is arranged, watch the entire video from start to finish. Check each and every scene connects properly, and then narration matches the visuals. If everything looks good, export the project in the high quality so all the details remain sharp and clear, and that's it. As you see, this method makes it much easier to get in the engaging animated without needing advanced animation skills or expensive software. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget like the video and subscribe to the channel for more AI video creation tutorials. And if there is any specific AI animation topic you do like me to cover next, let me know in the comment below. Thanks for watching it. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.
Isla was different. While everyone felt fear, she never did. Not in exams, not in crowds, not even in the unknown. To Isla, fear seemed useless. She believed it only held people back from living freely. One night, she walked into a dark alley, no hesitation, no warning inside her. Just silence where fear should have been. Suddenly, danger appeared, and for the first time, Ayla realized something was missing, a voice that should have told her to run. That night changed everything. Ayla learned that fear isn't weakness. It's a guide, a protector, a voice that keeps us safe.